What's up, everybody? I know it's been like, what, 3 weeks now? I've been slacking. I know I did a lot of shit to the RSX, and I will update you guys once we're back home. But me, Timmy, and Kenny are on the way to Pick and Pull. We are driving all the way from Sac to Modesto, so it's about like an hour and like 10-minute drive over there. Right now we have, I think, how long is that? 55 minutes left, and yeah, we got some snacks here. You know what I'm saying? We got the, oh, and we're strapped up too, bro. Oh shit. Hey, Kenny. But yeah, we're on the way to get some parts for Timmy's car. If you guys don't know, Timmy got into an accident not too long ago, and he rear-ended somebody on the way to a car meet. And yeah, if you guys follow him on his Instagram, you guys will know. Go follow his Instagram for more updates on the RSX, the silver RSX you guys be seeing around in the videos at RSX. And if you guys want to know what got fucked up, basically, actually, I'll let the owner tell you.
So basically, I ran into him, and then I tried to swerve out the way, so it hit my passenger side. So my frame is bent in and up. I'll send him pictures and put it on the video, but it's pushed in, dented, so that's pretty much it. It's just that little frame and all the pieces. I'm getting piece by piece at Pick and Pull and Facebook Market.
So what do you have so far? Like, you have the passenger fender,
hood risers, or not hood risers,
the
latch thingy,
yeah. That T-bar,
headlight
brackets.
I think that's it.
That's it, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh, well, yeah. What else do you need from Pick and Pull?
I need a driver's side fender and hopefully seatbelts, because my seatbelt is gone. So
okay,
yeah.
So yeah, we'll hit you guys when we're at Pick and Pull. Alright, y'all, so we're here at Pick and Pull. I've never been to this one before, but this shit's hella big, cuz. Sheesh! There's 2 on row 71, so I mean, shit. Hopefully they're still good. These came in a couple days ago, so they're pretty fresh. Oh shit! Oh shit! What the fuck? Oh! Oh! This shit looks. Oh.
Okay, the front end's fucked up, but.
Huh!
Oh, they got a shifter.
What?
Oh, they got the suede.
You do?
Yeah, should I buy this?
How much is it? Probably like what? 40 bucks?
Damn!
Let me see.
Hey, they got suede.
Oh.
Oh, it's cracked though, never mind.
Oh.
Fuck that shit.
Let me see. Watch out. Taking this shit.
What's that?
A-spec.
Oh, the little ring?
A-spec, bruh. You already know,
there's
bruh.
no one I'll buy it, but.
It's the A-spec, you know what I'm saying?
Don't steal, kids. Don't steal.
Do not steal any of these parts. Just so you know, I am paying for these.
Yeah.
We're definitely paying for these.
Yeah, do not steal. Don't steal.
We're keeping this in here just so we don't get it lost, alright?
Yeah.
So
yeah, we're gonna pay for these for sure.
what you got in here? Oh, look, they're the projector. You know what I can do? I could take the projector and put it in my headlight.
Yeah, take it.
Wait, where'd he go? Oh, the other one. Damn, son. Oh, damn.
Yeah, this one's fucked. This one's stubborn.
Take this bitch out. Is this way too?
Yep.
Oh, shut up. Oh, yeah. I need the rear. But there's no, if you guys are selling base model suede seats, let me know. I just need the 2 top pieces right there. That one's broken. I would take that one, but
no, I'm okay.
I need that part though, the little thingy. But oh, it's auto. Oh, he got the Dutch Bros. What? Did my boy run into a fucking haystack, bruh? Holy fucking shit. boy ran into a haystack. Ooh! This shit's clean, bruh. Y'all can take these if you want. These are fucking clean. Was it EM1? Oh, it's auto though. Guys, let me know. Should I take like some taillights from another RSX like these, for example, and then take them, open them up, and just clear them? You know what I'm saying? Clear OEM tails. Should I do it? Is that a good idea? Yes or no? Because the people who usually run the clear tails, they have these, and then it's like another circle, half circle, which is cool and all, but I like the little triangle piece right here. That's OEM. So let me know if you guys like the idea. Might have to do it for a video. And yeah, I think that'll be cool. Clear tails, little project. It shouldn't be too hard, but yeah. A lot of people have been wondering like if I would ever switch to clear tails. I would. It's just overdone now. But I'll probably wait for a little bit and probably do my own custom clear tails. And I don't know. Let me know if you guys like the idea. Come on, kids. Come on. Time for school. Time for school. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Hopping in the fucking Sienna. You feel me? You gotta hop up. Because this bitch is lifted. You feel me? Ugh. You know what I'm saying? Just another day. Picking up my kids. You feel me?
Can we eat some pizza?
You good over there?
Yeah.
Why don't you sit on there?
He's messed up.
What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Like a fucking death trap. Put that bitch in park. Now we throw that. Wait. We throw that bitch in. Never mind. Alright, y'all. So we're back in the car. Timmy got a little. What'd you get?
2 seatbelts.
2 seatbelts for the RSX. And I got the 2 interior A-spec pieces for my RSX. So right now we're on the way to Oakland for another 2 RSXs that came like 2 weeks ago, and hopefully they got some. What the fuck, bruh?
Bro, the hobos did that.
Damn, bruh. If you can't do that to your girl, what are you doing? You're doing it wrong.
You're not hitting the right spots.
Yeah, bruh.
You gotta learn.
You gotta find where it is, bruh.
You gotta hit places that she never hit before.
But we're on the way to Oakland pickup pull and see if they got any good stuff. We're all the way down here and might as well just go over there anyway.
The drive to Oakland better be worth it, I swear to God. If it's not worth it, I'm gonna have to. I'm not driving back home, so it's okay.
I'm hungry, bro. I didn't eat nothing this morning.
You wanna park up, try to find? I don't know if I want to eat food places around here though.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's kind of. No, here. I'd rather eat in Oakland than here.
Oh, you Oakland?
Yeah, we'll probably go get something to eat in Oakland and yeah, we'll see you guys then. Alright, y'all, so we are here at the Oakland pick and pull. I took a little nap in the car, and there's 3 RSXs here in the pick and pull Oakland. So let's see what they got. Shit. Oh, what the hell? Oh, fuck. Oh, he's K-tuned.
Bro, ain't no way, bro.
What do you got back here? Oh. Oh. If it was black, I would have took that shit. I mean, I would have bought it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Oh, no. Not my boy, no skate. Damn.
Oh, the rear bumper. That's pretty good condition. If anyone wants to convert their RSX to their 056, it is in a, what the hell is this? A Nissan Altima. This red one right here, across from the RSX. And the rear bumper is still in the back seat, so y'all can take it, get it repainted, you know what I'm saying? Little scratches here and there, but you feel me? So yeah. So pick and pull Oakland is a bust, but we found this thing. It's a fucking RX-8 and it's a Renaissance model, so I don't know what that means. Sebastian told me a lot of stuff about it, but I just forgot. But look at the seats though. Sheesh. The interior is pretty clean and it's a 6-speed, so damn, that shit's nice. And it's only for $2,500. So if y'all want it, come get it. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna go get some food in the bay. I don't know what, but we'll see you guys when we get there. Alright, we're here.
706.
Where we at?
Yeah, IT.
IT?
We're at TI.
TI?
TI.
They got a huge ass selection. We're about to get some food and some fucking boba, dog. What y'all think? What y'all think?
Full ramen.
Bro, they got a bowl shop with ramen, dog. Oh my god. Out of all these drinks, which one would you get? Pause the video right now. Comment down below which one would y'all get and pair it with whatever food you guys are gonna get. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
There's a secret menu on there that you guys can't see.
Yeah.
It's me.
Alright, so we just got our food. Ooh, what'd y'all get? What'd y'all get?
Got me some beef udon.
Beef udon? Mmm.
Some
What'd you get, Timmy?
kimchi ramen, miso ramen.
And I got the tonkatsu ramen, the white one. You know what I'm saying? Cause, yeah. Ooh, baby girl, what's up, girl? And then we get the soup. Oh, and we got our drinks. Yeah.
Okay, I don't know which one.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you. Ooh, that shit look bussin'. Bussing. So bussing. So I got the brown sugar, fresh milk tea. What did you get, Kenny?
I got me mango fruit tea.
What did you get, Timmy?
I got a white peach oolong creme.
Alright y'all, so I am finally back at home. We finally made it back to SAC, and I got the RSX right behind me, so I'm just gonna update you guys with what happened to the RSX and the new things that I've done to the RSX for the past, like, I think 3-4 weeks. And so I'm just gonna give you guys a cinematic, then I'll tell you guys what I did. So here's the cinematics in 3, 2, 1. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna tell you guys the updates on the RSX. First of all, I did get new wheels. You guys probably didn't guess that they were the Tesla Model 3 wheels with the wheel covers or wheel caps or hubcaps or whatever you want to call it. Second of all, I got the suede door cards. I repainted the rear bumper and the rear lip since the rear bumper was all over the place and there was a lot of paint chips and paint cracking. And I rewired the third brake light to actually flash when I actually brake. I wrapped the headlights with a chameleon color shift rainbow, whatever you want to call it, honeycomb pattern on the headlight, and it looks absolutely nice. Shout out to Andy for those. And I actually got these TPMS sensors that go onto the valve stems of every wheel, all four, and basically they tell me how much PSI I'm running on the car on all four. Let me see where my keys at. Just turn on the key, plug it in, and I am at 41 on the driver's side, passenger side, rear driver, rear passenger. So this is a must for the stance guys out there because you don't want to debeat on the side of the freeway or the road. It lets you know if your tire pressure is high or low. It'll beep very loud and it's very annoying, so all I have to do is just press this button right here and it'll stop, but it'll still flash that the PSI on your tires is still high or low. It tells you the voltage of your car, what the weather is. I don't know what these are, but yeah. Right now, this is where I'm running at the moment. And the wheel specs on Tesla wheels are a 18 by 8.5. I know they're weak, plus 40 offset. And I'm running a 205/35 tire on the Tesla wheels. They're pretty skinny. I should have went with a 40 or a 215 by 40 because the 35s make the car super low, and I already have a crack on the splitter and it chipped off most of the splitter on the passenger side. So I'm just waiting on that splitter to run out, and I'm gonna go head back to SJ and cop another splitter from Base and R. I also did get something for the interior other than the suede door cards from the base model RSX. I also got the rear seats for the base model RSX. Don't mind this. This is just a you know, coverage for the windshield. I did get the base seats of the RSX. I know I need to replace these two. If you guys are selling the base black cloth seats on the rear and the front, let me know. These are very comfortable. My friends tell me they're very comfortable. And also, if you guys have a trunk cargo mat in very good condition with all the clips clipping onto that one and that one, let me know. The other day the cargo mat snapped on me, so I don't know how, but I will need another one. Yeah, let me know if you guys have the cloth seats for the RSX. Black is what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for no tan color because I literally just switched from tan to black. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If I'm leaving anything out and you guys notice anything, comment down below. I'm going to be making a lot more videos soon. I have a lot more coming soon for the RSX, and can't wait to show you guys. But other than that, if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys probably know the stuff that's happened to my car or the changes that happened to my car. The wheels is one example. So follow me on Instagram at AronJosh, and if you guys want to follow me on my photography page, it's DailyRSX. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the trip to the bay to pick and pull and just a little mukbang with Timmy and Kenny. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. It's AronRSX signing out. Peace.